Salcedo outside. Kicks out to Almonte. Almonte with the ball. Almonte with a turnover. Pass was a bit too high. KG with the inbound. Melon dribbles it inside. Takes it out to KG. Back to Melon. Triple, no good. Rebound, Ibarra. Ibarra takes it on the other side of the court. Dribbles his way through. 2 steps ahead. No good. Rebound, Melon. Ahead to Sagun with an easy lay. Laps his way to the basket. Classic Sagun finish. Easy Edgy with a 4-point lead. Almonte passes it to Ibarra. Turns it over. Melon to Sagun. Changes his mind. Sam. Melon. Does it again? No. To KG. Kicks it out to Melon. Melon inside. That's a foul. Foul on number 2. His first personal foul. Number 2. Melon. Melon turns it over. That's a traveling violation for Melon. Inbound Almonte. Cool cat. To phenomenal Ibarra. Lands a play, Oblea. Oblea number 12. Picks up his first earlier. Tries the triple. From beyond the arc, no good. Rebound Butial. With an easy lay inside. Court inbound. Sagun with the ball. Sagun to Melon. Melon baseline. No. Passes it to KG. KG dribbles it outside. Kicks out to court. Turns it over. Ibarra with the steal. Ibarra inside. Passes it to Butial. Reverse. No good. Rebound Sam. Melon with a cutting KG inside. Fades it away. No good. Rebound Sagun. Strong. Finish. No good. Almost makes it. Rebound Salcedo to Cool Cat. Cool Cat. Doubts it on himself. Kicks it up to Salcedo. Triple. Strong. Almonte fakes the triple. Dribbles it inside. Kicks it out. Butial. Jumper. It's good. Number 22. Butial. His first points of the game. Sagun to Sam. Sam fakes it. Makes it. Sam with his height dominance. Sam. Ibarra kicks it out to Almonte. Almonte with his tight defense. Ibarra tries the triple. Strong. Rebound KG. KG dribbles it ahead. KG. Nice pass. Inside. Sagun. Almost makes the end one finish. That's a foul on number 15, Ibarra. His first personal foul. Sagun makes both free throws. Substitution on the board. Easy Edgy changes 4 players. Ibarra again. Stolen. Easy edgy. Now makes a run. Nokon. Bumps it through. Turns the ball over. Ibarra. Almonte. Back to Ibarra. Ibarra with the ball. Almonte alone from beyond the arc. Strong. Rebound Salcedo. That's an easy rebound. No contest. Almonte tries the triple. Again from beyond the arc. No good. Rebound. Batino. Batino dribbles ahead. Fix it. That's traveling violation for Batino. With a nice defensive play from Salcedo. Timeout. Easy.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Anong gwapo ni Bombay sa ano? Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Gusto niyo, madam?
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Nakuha ko na nga agad doon. Cocat. Ibarra triple. It's good. Ibarra from beyond the arc. Reduces the lead to just a single point. Nokon dribbles his way through to Zhang outside. It's a traveling violation for Zhang. Easy edgy riddled with turnovers. Kukat with his headbands on. Inside to Salcedo. Nice pass from Kukat. Inside to Salcedo. Spectacular play from Kukat. Zhang. And it still is the edgy ball. Nice defensive play from the defending champions. Patino changes his mind. Nokon from the baseline. Nokon. Jumper short. Rebound. James. Again, Nokon. Tries it again. It's good. This time makes the lay. A 1-point lead by Easy Edgy. Ibarra tries it again. No good. Strong. Rebound Batino. Batino dribbles his way through. Batino. Right hand finish. Good defensive play from Salcedo. However, Zhang with the rebound. Nokon passes it to James. Outside to Nokon again. Jumper. Short. That was all board for Nokon. Almonte. Way beyond. Salcedo alone at the 3-point line. No good. Mendoza with the rebound. Short. Batino again with the rebound. Nokon. Nokon. Nice finish by Nokon. Now Almonte with the ball. Almonte, 24. A Kobe-inspired number. That's a foul. Ball on number 11. His first personal foul, Zhang. Ibarra kicks it out to Oblea. Corner triple, no good. Rebound James to Nokon. Nokon ahead to Batino. Inside. Makes the finish. Nice clutch play. Salcedo tries it again. Strong. Rebound by the Easy Edgy. Batino fakes the triple. Turns the ball over. Salcedo inbound. Ibarra brings the ball to the side of the court. Ibarra spins. Ibarra draws a foul. Ibarra. Instead, it's a traveling violation, rather. Traveling by Ibarra. Knock on again. Nice defensive play from home court. Kukat alone. Kukat turns the ball over. Salcedo brings it back. Kukat with the lefty finish. Home court saves their point. Zhang gets the ball, turns it over. Out of bounds. Home court with just 11 seconds left on the game clock. 10 seconds. Almonte. Will they make a score? Almonte to Salcedo. Triple! Way off. And that's the end of the first quarter. Easy Edgy.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Bombay sa ano. Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Nasa'yo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na. Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Nakukuha ko na nga agad oh.
Isang daan lang. Ayan.
Balik ako eh.
It's home court ball for the second quarter. Inbound. Kukat again. Kukat. Kukat triple. Doesn't make the first score for the second quarter. Andaya inbound. James. Stolen. Andaya fakes the pass. Almonte alone. Almonte dribbles his way through. Nice finish by Almonte. What a circus shot. Knock on. Number 9 knock on. To Batino. Back to knock on. To Zhang. 3-point. Way off. Rebound James. And that's a foul. James on the line for 2. Makes the first. Second was short. Easy Edgy rebound. Knock on. Again. Jumper. That's an easy finish for knock on. Josh. 16. Kicks it out. Almonte again. No good. Rebound. Andaya. Big man's move. Butial. Turns the ball over. Almost. Almonte. Lefty. No good. Rebound. Batino. Batino. Dribbles his way through. And that's a nice finish from Batino. Josh. With the ball. Nice defensive play from Zhang. Josh short. Rebound James. James to Sam. Ahead to knock on. Knock on. Again. Nice block by Butial. Josh. Josh crosses it over. Almonte alone at the paint. Reduces the lead to 4. Easy Edgy with a 4-point lead. 8 minutes and 3 seconds left on the game clock. 15 seconds on the shot clock. James, baseline to Sam. Big mass move from Sam. Quarter. Edgy holding a 6-point lead. Ibarra. Ibarra with the ball. Ibarra to Butia. A long baseline jumper. It's good. Easy points for Butia. Lee, the Kobe-esque Lee, number 5. Knock on to Sam. Crosses it over. Lee. Rebound, James. Still, it's Easy Edgy ball. Substitution on the ball. Zapanta and KG inside. Sam inbound. 14 seconds left on the shot clock. Knock on baseline. Kicks it out to Lee. Lee, sloppy dribbling. Turns the ball over. Butia to Josh. Nice finish from Ibarra. Nice pass from Josh. KJ. Now holding the ball in knock on. Holding the ball, knock on. Knock on, kicks it out. KG fakes the triple. Back to knock on. Knock on. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Knock on. KG. Foul. That's a foul on number 12. Oblea. 22 foul instead. 22. Butia with a foul. KG on the line. Butia with 2 personal fouls. Josh. Josh with the ball. Josh 16. To Ibarra outside. Almost turns the ball over. Ibarra finish. No goal. Rebound KG. Nice defensive play from Easy Edgy. The MVP KG alone. Sam from beyond the arc. No good. Short. Rebound. Josh. Turns the ball over. Zapanta. Triple. Short. Rebound. Zapanta. To KG. To the Kobe-esque Lee. No good. Rebound. Butia. Nice defensive play from Zapanta. Substitution. Home court. "14 seconds left on the shot clock. Sagon to Sam. Alone. Zapanta tries it again. Almost makes it. Rebound. Kobe-esque Lee. No good. And it's home court ball. Josh might have sustained an injury, however makes it in. Spectacular finish from Josh. Alone at the paint. Sagon now holding the ball. Sagon almost turns the ball over to Zapanta. To KG. Back to Zapanta. Alone again from beyond the arc. Short. Rebound. Andaya to Josh. Number 16, Josh. Crosses the ball over. Floater. No good. And that's a foul. Foul on number 25, Salcedo. Easy edgy ball. Easy edgy now holding only a single point lead. KG. Now holding the ball, KG. To Zapanta. Sagon alone from beyond the arc, no good. Strong. Rebound, Zapanta. Sagon clutches his way through. Makes the layup finish. Andaya now. Andaya to Almonte Kuka. Almonte. Almonte passes it to Ibarra. Ibarra spins. Ibarra ahead. Lefty finish. Wonderful finish from Ibarra. Easy edgy to Sagon. Bumps his way through. Makes the finish. Spectacular finish from Sagon. Easy edgy now holding a 3-point lead. Ibarra now holding the ball. Ibarra triple strong. Rebound Andaya to Salcedo. Watery fingers, Salcedo kicks it out. Fakes the pass. Ariel triple. Almost makes it. Rebound Lee. Now KG dribbles his way to Sagon now. No way! Sagon! Now Kukat. Ibarra to the middle. Almost makes the finish. Andaya. No foul was called. KG kicks it out to Lee. Strong. Rebound Lee. Turns the ball over. Now Almonte and Andaya on the side of the court. Nice pass. 17. That's a foul on Zapanta. Andaya doesn't make the finish. Substitution on Easy Edgy. Easy Edgy now holding a 5-point lead. Andaya on the line for 2. Andaya on the line for 2. Makes the first. Andaya makes the second. KG now holding the ball. KG, the former MVP. KG takes it out. Sagon. Zapanta to KG alone at the 3-point line. Did not get the lucky bounce. Josh dribbles his way through, sidesteps his way through. Nice finish from Josh. Number 16, Josh with the finish. Zapanta now. Zapanta to KG. KG for baseline. And that's a foul. Offensive foul. Timeout.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Bombay sa ano. Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Sa'yo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na. Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Nakuha ko na nga agad doon.
Isang daan lang. Ayan.
Balik ako.
Sara mo. Unahin mo na yan.
Now we resume the ball game. 2 minutes and 36 seconds left on the game clock. Josh now holding the ball. Josh takes it out. Salcedo fakes it. Back to Josh. To Ariel. Makes the makes the jumper. Mendoza. KJ now to Sagon. Floater. Short. Rebound Andaya. Now Andaya. Josh ahead. Josh showing his speed. Josh takes it out to Mendoza. Makes it again. Yes! Mendoza makes it again. Alone at the middle, Mendoza now with 4 points. KJ to Sam inside. Nice finish by Sam from the MVP KG. What an assist. Josh now holding the ball. Josh. Almonte, defended by Court, number 8. Tries the triple, almost makes it. Rebound Sagon. Sagon now to KG. KG passes it to Zapanta. Nice finish, Zapanta. 55 seconds left on the game clock. 20 seconds on the shot clock. To Almonte. Tight defense from Easy Edgy. Now Almonte. Sagon reaches. Almonte makes the second chance finish. Now KG with just 33 seconds left on the game clock. Sagon passes it to Zapanta. Tight defense by home court. Zapanta to Sagon. Makes the finish.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Bombay sa ano. Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Nasa'yo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na. Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Nakuha ko na nga agad doon.
Isang daan lang. Ayan.
Balik ako.
Sara mo.
Now resume the ball game. Josh. Okay. 6 home court uniforms are found inside the court. Technical foul. Still a basket counted for home court. Even with 6 uniforms inside for the home court team. Now Sagon makes the technical free throw. The referees have decided to still count the basket for team home court. Even with 6 home court uniforms inside. Now Easy Edgy. 5 seconds foul for number 24 Almonte. His first personal foul. Now 3 minutes and 54 seconds. No, 3 seconds left on the shot clock. Sam, triple, short, rebound Josh. And that's the end of the second quarter.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Anong gwapo ni Bombay sa ano? Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Nasa'yo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Ano mo na?
Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Naupo ko na nga agad oh.
Isang daan lang. Ayan.
Balik ako eh.
Sara mo.
Balik eh.
Unahin mo na yan. Diwata Paris Overload, new location. Dito lang po ito ulit sa Jokno Boulevard. Ayan ang bagong pwesto natin. Lampas lang sa ng GSIS. Sa gilid lang din tayo ng kalsada. Ayan ang ating sabaw. At syempre ang ating mga overload. Picture? Picture muna kami.
Thank you.
Sige.
Sangrep.
Game clock replenished. Now is the third quarter. Those fight for the defending champions versus Team Easy Edgy. Nice pass inside to James. Gutierrez. Wonderful assist. Easy Edgy scores the early points for the third quarter. Now Josh holding the ball. Andaya spins. Nice block from Banta. Second chance. Andaya blocked by Banta again. Defensive play. Turns the ball over. Easy Edgy. Now home court gains possession. Andaya inside. Crosses it over. Andaya. Gutierrez now. Nocon. Nice pass inside. Turns the ball over. James. Now Andaya. Dribbles his way through. Steps his way through. Wonderful finish by number 17, Andaya. Now Almonte almost makes his signature steal. Gutierrez. There's the ball over James. Almost make the same assist he made earlier. Now Josh. Holding the ball, Josh. Josh. To the middle, Andaya. Kicks it out to Almonte. Almonte fakes the triple. Almost loses the ball. Almonte kicks it out to Salcedo. To Josh. Alone from beyond the arc. Josh! Scores a triple, 16. Josh. Now home court holding a 6-point lead with just 8 minutes and 13 seconds left on the game clock. 15 seconds left on the shot clock. Nocon kicks it out to Batino. Step back to Ripple! Batino scores a triple. What an answer from Batino. Now Josh. Josh dribbles. Kicks it out to Almonte. Almonte to Josh. Jumper. That's an easy finish for Josh. Makes the jumper. Now, 47-42 in favor of home court. Gutierrez now holding the ball. Knock on now. We just take 7 seconds left on the shot clock. Batino inside. Blocked by Andaya. Ahead to Josh. Josh bumps his way through. Doesn't make it. Still with the ball. Home court. Josh unable to make that finish. Now with the inbound. Substitution. No substitution. Andaya alone. Middle, no good. Rebound, Batino. Batino inside. Changes his mind. To alone. Banta turns the ball over. Now Andaya kicks it out. Josh to Kulkat. 24 alone. Triple! Almonte triple!
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Takot.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Bombay sa ano. Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Gusto yung madam?
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Ano mo na?
Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan, dali.
Minute run by the defending champions. Now, Easy Edgy holding the ball. Gutierrez now. Gutierrez. 3-point. No good. Short. Rebound. Knock on. 14 seconds left on the game clock. Shot clock. Banta draws a foul. Banta. Foul on number 13. Foul on number 13. Mendoza with 2 personal fouls. Number 13, Banta with a 2. Misses the first. Substitution. Banta for his second free throw. Makes it. Substitution for Team Easy Edge. Seven-point lead for the defending champions home court. Josh with the ball. Josh changes his mind to Andaya. Kulkat. Nice pass to Andaya with the end one finish. Wonderful basket for Andaya. Now with the end one free throw, Andaya makes it. Increases the lead to 10. Double-digit lead for home court. Banta fakes it, bumps his way through, spins, defensive play, sub. To knock on to KG, nice pass inside to Andaya. Draws a foul. Mendoza again, number 13. His third personal foul. Banta on the strike. Makes the first. Doesn't make the second. Now, home court with the rebound of Lea. Now to Ibarra. Ibarra. Lea kicks it out to Almonte. Nice pass to the middle. Andaya short. Mendoza almost with the rebound. Now KG. KG paces his way now. Sam with a wonderful finish. Nice assist by the KG. Former MVP KG with a wonderful assist. Now Ibarra. Ibarra now. Ibarra to Almonte. Screen. Mendoza. To Mendoza. Mendoza jumper. Alone. Makes the jumper. Mendoza with perfect field goals. Mendoza. Now, knock on. With an easy basket. Wonderful finish from Nocon. Defending champions holding a 7-point lead. Ibarra now. Ibarra. Nice block by Nocon. However, home court regains possession. Nice pass inside to Ablaya. Wonderful assist from Almonte. Nocon now. Dribbles his way to Banta. To KG. To Gutierrez. Tries the triple. No good. Strong. Rebound. Banta. Turns the ball over. Now, alone Almonte. Makes the effortless basket. 11-point lead for the defending champions. Turnover after turnover for Team Easy Edgy. Now, knock on. Knock on. Triple maybe. No good. Now, rebound Sam. Out of bounds. Team Easy Edgy again with a turnover. Now home court with the ball with just 3 minutes and 45 seconds left on the game clock. Ibarra to Andaya. Andaya dribbles his way. Steps through, no good. Now rebound KG. KG paces his way. Strong pass for KG. Again, Team Easy Edgy with another turnover. Timeout. No timeout was called. Unable to call for timeout. Ibarra now. Ibarra. Dribbles his way. Nice pass. Inside to Andaya. Big man finish. Easy points. Wonderful stretch for Team Home Court. Making wonderful passes here and there. Now, Team Easy Edgy trailing by 13. Melon now holding the ball. Kicks it out to KG. Baseline. Sam to Banta. Unable to finish. Easy Edgy regains possession. Jumper. No good for Melon. Sam now, no on. Tries it. No good. Now, scrambling for a rebound. Now, home court. On the run. Home court. Oblea passes it to Botia. Lazy jumper. Number 22, Botia. Increases the lead to 15. Sam to Banta. Baseline. Dribbles his way through. Draws a foul. That's a foul on number Number 17 with the foul. Andaya. Banta on the stripe. Charity stripe. Andaya. 4-2. Banta 4-2. Makes the first. Banta. Scramble for rebound. Now, Andaya. Alone, Kokat again! Kokat, wonderful finish! He was called for a technical. Almonte with the gun celebration. Technical after a made triple. You cannot do that on the Linger League. Now Nokon making Nokon on a charity stripe for the technical free throw. Makes it. And that's a single free throw and a single possession for Team Easy Edgy. Now Melon holding the ball. 16-point lead by Team Home Court. KG to Melon outside. Tries the triple. Off. Rebound. Butial. Still it's home court ball. Now Josh holding the ball. Josh. Number 16, Josh. Kicks it out. Oblea on the corner. Oblea. No good. KG now. KG passes it to Sam inside. Floater was no good. Josh with the rebound to Andaya. Okay. Passes it ahead to Oblea. Wonderful jumper from number 12, Oblea. Melon with the ball. Melon now dribbles ahead to Nokon outside. Foul. Number 22 for home court. Foul. Substitution. Team Easy Edgy trailing by 18. Reduces it to 17, James on the charity stripe. Number 23, James. Emulating the king, number 23, James. Doesn't make the second. KG with the rebound. Easy Edgy now with the possession to Sam, to Zhang, to Melon, to Ripple. No good. Rebound James. Kicks it out to KG. Passes it to James. No good. Rebound Andaya. Now it's just 1 minute and 5 seconds left on the game clock. 13 seconds left on the shot clock. Oblea alone again. Triple! Increases the lead to 20 points. Sam alone, no good. Regains possession now. Easy Edgy. Easy points for Easy Edgy. 33 seconds left on the game clock. Josh now. 16 seconds left on the shot clock. Fast dribbles. Butial strong to James. 16 seconds left on the shot clock. Sam. Nice pass to Melon strong. KG. Rebound. Strong pass for Oblea. Now it is substitution for home court. Last possession for the third quarter. Melon now. Melon with the ball. Melon kicks it out to KG. Makes the triple. Zhang. Zhang. Way off. That's the end of the third.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Sagot.
Anong gwapo ni Bombay sa ano? Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Nasa iyo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Ano mo na?
Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita. Kuha ka dyan.
Nakuha ko na nga agad oh.
Isang daan lang. Ayan. Sarap mo sarap. Unahin mo na yan.
For the last one. The defending champions aren't no champions for no reason. Josh now with the ball. Caicedo. To Josh. Alone. Coming on the arc. Way short. Bruno, getting the ball. Zapata dribble, off. Rebound, Josh. Josh to Andaya, kicks it out to Almonte. Triple, it's good! Another triple from the triple machine, Tupac. Point, Antos, no good. Almost makes a triple. Now, Alone again, triple, no good. Short. Now, Fanta. It's a Fanta. Now, Martino. Tries to go up. Martino with the rebound. Because it's a almost makes that very short. Easy empty. Fanta. No good. Then on point game for home court. Number 17, Andaya, holding the ball. 30 seconds left on the shot clock. Almonte tries it again. Short. Rebound, Payne. Ivana. Oh my gosh. Defensive play for home court. Caicedo. Down to Almonte. Almonte with 8 minutes and 5 seconds left on the game clock. Almonte tries to take it again. Wow! Triple after triple. Tupac increases the lead to 24. Takes the pass. Martino inside for the finish. Strong. Now home court. Dribbles his way through, finish. Finishes strong for Tupac. Now court, holding the ball. Ahead, Zapata. Layup, Zapata.
Sana lang yun, sana lang.
7 minutes and 15 seconds left on the team clock. Andaya. Now holding the ball, Andaya. Josh. It's out, Almonte.
Sino ito na nagtitrending ngayon? Anong mayroon dyan? Diwata Paris Overload?
Tagbut.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Bombay sa ano. Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Sa'yo, madam.
Mamaya Bombay ha. Alam mo na.
Ano mo na?
Galingan mo naman dyan para ma-promote ka. Nabigyan na kita.
Zapata now. Zapata. Dr. Triple again. Now makes the triple. Zapata. Josh shows his speed. Josh it down. No basket was counted. Josh draws a foul. That's a foul on number 19, Zapata. Josh called for a foul.
Anspo? Sino Anspo, rep? Anspo, labas muna.
6 minutes and 42 seconds left.
Zapata! Tyrone, labas muna. Chow, na score mo, Chow.
Josh on attack this time. Technical free throw. Substitution for Team Good.
Ha? Sa kapila. 83 na dapat yun. 83.
Inbound home. Easy trailing behind by 25. Kutia jumper. Wonderful jumper. It's smooth as butter, Kutia. No ball inside. Wow. The defending champions. Making their defensive play. Court now. Inside court. Rebound ball. Now, Andaya with the ball. Andaya. With Mr. All Around. Player Andaya. With Almonte. Almonte. There goes. Inside. Foul score. That's a foul. Number 19, Bachino.
Nakasi sa daw si Ivan.
5 minutes and 38 seconds left on the game clock. Almonte on the charging side. Doesn't hit the first. Almonte doesn't make his second as well. Home court with a rebound. Home court now. Good pass. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Josh Temple. No good. Rebound court. Katie. Katie now. Nice step. That's the finish. Gordon no ball. Both teams just burning the game clock. Settle now. Triple. High triple. No good. That was there. Good play. And his shot. Katie, no ball. Takes it out. Second. Katie, out of bounds.
Stop!
point lead.
Tama, di ba?
And third with the ball, Pantara. Ball almost got stolen. Pantara. Ain't not good. No. Inside. Wow. On court. No one on the line for two. Holding the ball, off to Salcedo. Salcedo around, Mara, draw. Mara, 15 seconds, on the shot clock. Layup, triple, free, strong. Does almost make the rebound. But almost stolen. Piran for the three, ball court. Over triple, rebound, Melo. Inside. Easy basket. Second on 22, 2 minutes. Last on the team shot. Ahead to Josh. To the baseline, Salcedo. Outside, 2 Mendoza. Triple. Yes! It's way too easy. Mendoza. Okay, now to Josh. Josh. Almost stolen. Wonderful finish for Josh. The final triple. How good. One again. Short. Rebound. Martino with the finish. 1 minute and 4 seconds left on the game clock. Now Josh. To Salcedo. Corner triple. It's good. 55 seconds left on the game clock. Reverse finish. No good. Now Martino with the rebound. Martino now. Advance to more. More triple. Advance to triple. 36 seconds left on the game clock. Now Ibarra, way beyond the arc. No good. Milan goes up. To Martino, easy basket. Good pass, Diallo. Diallo! Now Mendoza, showcasing. Was too strong. Mendoza again. Triple. Lead.